Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mice for Photoshop that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Logitech M510 wireless mouse. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. But don't let the price fool you, it's still a strong contender. The M510 is designed with comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic shape, soft rubber grips, and a contoured design that supports your hand during long editing sessions. Performance-wise, this mouse offers solid optical tracking and 2 years of battery life, making it a hassle-free option for Photoshop users. The programmable back-forward buttons are a nice touch, allowing you to customize shortcuts for quicker access to tools. However, its 1000 DPI sensor might feel limiting for those who demand ultra-precise movements in their design work. It's not the flashiest or the most advanced mouse, but it gets the job done. If you're on a tight budget or need a reliable backup mouse, the M510 delivers great value. Its lightweight build and universal compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Linux make it a versatile choice. That said, it lacks premium features like Bluetooth connectivity or advanced tracking, which may deter power users. At number 4, we have the NILIA M510 wireless trackball mouse. This ergonomic trackball mouse is perfect for users who want to minimize wrist movement. The trackball design allows for smooth thumb control, which is great for precise adjustments in Photoshop, especially in cramped workspaces like a small desk or a couch. What sets the M510 apart is its ability to connect to 3 devices via Bluetooth or USB, making it a versatile choice for multitaskers. The rechargeable battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries, and the adjustable DPI settings give you more control over the cursor sensitivity. However, the lack of programmable buttons may be a downside for users who want to set up custom shortcuts. Overall, the NILIA M510 offers a unique experience for Photoshop users who value comfort and precision. Its trackball design might take some getting used to, but for the price, it's a compelling alternative to traditional mice. This is a great pick for those who prioritize ergonomics over high-end features. Coming in at number 3 is the Logitech M720 Triathlon Wireless Mouse. This mouse is all about versatility and efficiency. With Logitech Flow technology, you can seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices with a single button, making it ideal for users who juggle between different systems. The hyperfast scrolling is a lifesaver when working on large Photoshop projects, allowing you to zip through layers and menus effortlessly. The design is ergonomic, with a full-size shape and rubberized grip that feels great in the hand. With a 24-month battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. The 6 programmable buttons are a standout feature, letting users customize shortcuts to streamline their workflow. However, its 1000 DPI sensor might feel less responsive for those who need ultra-precise movements. If you're looking for a well-rounded mouse that balances comfort, functionality, and price, the M720 is a strong choice. It's perfect for Photoshop enthusiasts who need a reliable device for multitasking and moderate professional work. Just note that it doesn't include premium features like advanced tracking or ultra-high DPI. At number 2, we have the Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Mouse. This mouse is a game changer for those who experience wrist strain during long Photoshop sessions. Its vertical design promotes a more natural hand posture, reducing muscle fatigue and discomfort. The softly textured grip and snug thumb rest add to the overall comfort. In terms of performance, the Lift offers smooth and seamless scrolling with its smart wheel and whisper quiet clicks, making it a joy to use in quiet environments. While it doesn't have as many programmable buttons as other mice on this list, it's perfect for users who prioritize ergonomics over customization. The 24-month battery life ensures long-lasting reliability, and it's compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and iPad OS. The Logitech Lift is an excellent choice for Photoshop users who value comfort and simplicity. It's not as feature-rich as our number one pick, but for those who experience wrist pain or just want an ergonomic upgrade, this mouse is worth considering. Finally, at number 1, we have the Logitech MXM3S wireless mouse. This is the ultimate mouse for Photoshop professionals and power users. Its standout feature is the 8000 DPI sensor, which delivers unparalleled precision and can even track on glass surfaces. Whether you're making pixel-perfect edits or working on high-resolution projects, this mouse has you covered. The MXM3S is packed with premium features, including Flow cross-computer control for seamless multitasking and customizable buttons that can be tailored to specific apps like Photoshop. The ultra-fast mag-speed scroll wheel is a dream for navigating lengthy timelines and large canvases. Plus, the quiet clicks make it a great choice for shared workspaces. It's also rechargeable via USB-C with a battery life of up to 70 days on a single charge. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the MXM3S justifies its price with top-tier build quality, advanced features, and an ergonomic design. This is the best mouse for Photoshop users who demand precision, functionality, and a premium experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.